Opening with the queen's pawn controls the center and usually leads to a more positional development of the pieces. d5 establishes a presence in the center, controls the e4 square, and opens up the light-squared bishop. Knight f3 develops the knight toward the center and protects the d4 pawn. This creates a pawn chain, linked pawns that form a strong structure. This move opens the path for your bishop to enter the game. There were worse moves, but also something much better. Your fianchettoed bishop puts strong pressure on the diagonal. This fianchettos the bishop by placing it on a powerful diagonal. Castling kingside is a great way to protect your king and develop. Black develops the knight and attacks the center. You apply pressure to your opponent's pawn chain. Castling to the same side of the board is a more cautious approach. You are bringing your knight into play, eyeing the central squares. That's not a mistake, but it's not the best move either. Your opponent will lose material if you find the right moves. The game was close to balanced, but now black is worse. You captured that free pawn. This moves the bishop to a better location, allowing it to control more squares. Yes, this is the way. Black develops the knight and attacks the center. Nice, definitely the right move. This allows the opponent to kick a knight. You're kicking their knight out of a useful square. This is an equal trade. Now your pawn is weaker because it can never have the support of another pawn. This overlooks an opportunity to increase a bishop's scope by moving it to a better square. Developing is good and even better with that tempo on a queen. Moving the queen gives black more flexibility in the middle game. You attack a bishop, winning a tempo when it moves away. This defends a bishop that was under attack and had no defenders. There is no stopping you from winning a pawn with the right follow-up. This defends the attacked pawn. This is a fine move. After all captures, this is an equal trade. You captured back. One of the best moves. That pawn chain will help strengthen your pawn structure. This overlooks an opportunity to move a bishop to safety. This allows the opponent to kick a bishop. You take back. This move puts the bishop on a safer square. You are threatening to force eventual checkmate. Advancing the pawns in front of the king can compromise the king's safety. Good job, that's what I would have played too. The rooks can see each other now, allowing them to provide mutual defense. Getting closer to the forced checkmate.